Hey, good day everyone. It's been Saturday's little project. Cut this out yesterday. The customer wants to stay warm in winter. Or more to the point, he wants to cook himself. It's a little sauna stove. It's going to be a little latch here. I haven't done it yet. This is the draft wheels. Radioactive. This little gadget here. That's the ash grate. You can't really see it because it's shit light. Can you see that? Sort of. Be a little ashtray down in here. So there's an auger. There's an auger, and he pushes the stuff. So the stuff is on the grate about here, falls down, pushes the stuff. We'll have a little ashtray down there to catch it all. And pull this stuff out. Must be great. I got rather creative with it. Fair bit of cutting. Can you see that down there? Sort of. Very dark. So there you go. So there'll be a little rock basket in between these two plates. And here, that's the chimney. Up there. It'll go up there. I've got another flange. So that'll just bolt on. So we can get it in and out of his sauna a bit easier. There you go. So yeah, all you do, so the ash will fall down in there, and you just auger it out. Self-contained. There we go. Thanks for watching.